This is last year? Last year when we go snow?
Yeah.
Okay.
First you have to say hello to everyone.
Now?
Yeah, now.
Hello everyone, this is Deethao channel. Hai nhớ chung à, tại vì nó đây tao sai Deethao channel đó, nó cũng vậy đó, cái một sai của có video xong ta nó thọ thất rồi của tôi sử dụng của một bộ snow nó giờ một sĩ về snow, thì sẽ dùng đi cha. Cho họ ta xin nó đó cái điều sau cha lo snow cho nó giờ tới giờ tôi dùng thì đó cái lo sai cho video thế cho cô đó, nữ sĩ tao ấy nữ thì của lo sai sẽ nữ sĩ tao có trong đó họ thì tôi xong ta nó ở một về ở sĩ về snow thì chỉ tao我 YouTube channel 呢，即是如说当太天的是如种太后面去使用的，那么即老师头到时到的那个古老山水古本也就多头，被我是被snow 上头了喏，即那达到做那个晒一片个么个呢，做的好好 video 那么晒天呢
You say bye or hello again?
？No, just
Okay.
finish talking and then I want to watch what you edit for me.
Okay. That was a long,
Hey,
that was a
Mushaina.
long intro. Didn't give me a chance to say mine.
Because I have to tell them what we're going to watch now.
Okay.
The video, the picture last year. When
I
we
will say
first
Nyojong
go
guys and gals.
guy
That's
and
mine.
girl.
Guys and gals.
What's that mean?
Boys and girls.
Oh, guy and girl.
Gals is like
Like-
girls.
Oh.
Guys and gals.
say it Hmong.
I did.
Nhớ chung guy and girl in Hmong.
I don't know say guys and girls in Hmong.
I don't know too. We just say not nhớ chung.
You don't say boys
Guy.
and girls?
Sineng is the man.
How do you say?
Sineng is the man.
Sineng.
Yeah,
And how
man.
do you say lady?
Ladies. Bonia.
Nyojong Sineng Bonya.
Bonia Hmong. Sineng Hmong. Like a Hmong man, woman Hmong. Like that.
Okay. Close enough. Is it loud enough?
Mhm.
That's the big dam where we tried to go fishing, but didn't catch anything.
Because I don't know how to fishing in Australia. Maybe you have to go Queensland visit your friend soon.
This is where he gets scared of the drone.
Try to run away.
Mm.
You have to go snow soon again.
This is the first time we stop.
First time I see the nice view in snow.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
I'll put videos of you catch yourself. You remember
Mhm.
when you record yourself?
Yeah,
Talking.
very exciting. You find that video
Mm.
on
You'll
my
see it, yeah.
phone?
This is just the intro. The little ducks. Because I didn't have much. It was just drone and telephone. I didn't use anything else.
Mhm. Okay, we do again soon. Hopefully the virus corona go away, so they let me go throw.
Yeah.
I want to learn how to ski.
Or snowboard.
Yeah, snowboard or ski.
Okay. This is.
First time I see snow in my life. I wanna test. Can I eat?
eat snow? So excited.
Maybe not cream. Look like got some stuff.
Laughing non-stop.
Oh my god! I got eyes. Oh my god!
I'm so crazy.
Oh my god! Never
Oh, my
see
hair's so
snow.
short that time. It's just
Oh, so
1
happy.
year.
It's so
Grow very
crazy
fast.
now, like a dream. Like I go somewhere by myself in a dream.
Snow body. Just snow everywhere like a tree. That's why I say that.
Snow is here. Oh, it's wet. It's pretty. They have something like a cabbage here. Look like cabbage, but I don't know. And soft like a cotton. wash my hand on the snow.
Yeah.
I wanna eat snow. Maybe
Still good even then.
just like ice. Crazy, huh? I'm so crazy. Ha.
Oh, no start to red pink. Like a little penguin. Little eyes. Oh, my baby
If you put him by himself. But not very far. Quite have fun, I think you'll like it.
Max!
Oh my god. If I don't hold it,
Okay, this is all the way down. I'll come down back into it. I just want to go faster. A little faster. Now we're going back to
the farm.
yeah.
These are after the big river.
Yeah.
Come back to the farm.
Mm.
Oh my god, your face is pink. He's scared of Winnie. Oh, so cute.
boo boo.
Look at his pants.
Boo boo, but you have 3 legs, huh?
He's got 3 legs.
Huh?
You see.
Huh? My naughty boy. Naughty
I
boy.
miss this little house at the farm.
Oh, you have 3
We can
legs.
go again.
You like it,
Maybe
huh?
we try something
You look
new.
happy.
I like to see something new, but similar to this one.
Whoa,
That was his favourite at that time.
Only have 2 teeth.
2 top, 2 bottom.
Yeah, he's so cute.
You're so happy here, huh?
Just driving around farms. I think this is our last day, right? On our way home. We stop.
When we dry out and you want to check,
Yeah.
yeah.
See Mum behind? I was showing him.
He look big. Look back.
Good mommy.
And leave my shirt here.
Good.
Having fun. How's it?
Yes.
6 minutes. Ish.
Farm smile non-stop.
I'll see when I edit this how much you smile. I'll put a little clock. How long you stay smiling for.
That's why I say, oh my god, my face, my cheek is tired. Because I keep smiling non-stop and I feel like pain here.
It's good. It's exercise for your face.
That's why I have many wrinkles. Because I'm smile too much. It's not old wrinkle, but it's smiling wrinkle.
Okay, so that's the one video.
Nice, I like it.
Thanks for watching.
For me? For you too?
Everyone. Yeah.
Ok, mà chị này đưa lời rau nè. Ở trong năm đâu khỏi nên là sai của Lia YouTube channel. Mà liên quan share ở yếu ở đó chuyện gì nè. Giờ lần tư chị tao subscribe nó chị ba muốn subscribe thia like and share. กูมาลีเราว่าวิดีโอดูอะไรอย่างเดียวเนี่ยมอลูชีสักก็ว่าวิดีโอจะได้จีเราเนี่ยกูคอมเมนต์ตาวนะว่าชอบเรากูจะฟังยูเราอยาก subscribe กันดาวตัวเนี่ยดูเรา support กูที่เรา subscribe กูเลยที่นั่น Have anything to say?
No, that's it.